Yes.
Okay. A lot of you use funny terminologies. Very, very funny terminologies. I can explain it in a very simple way. You do 2:1 ratio in your pads where you put your leg, your body, or whatever in between. Yeah? 1, 2. 2 is a stronger, is a giver. 1 is a taker, but at the same time it gives what the other one needs. So this is 7.0 alkalineness, this is 6.9 alkalineness. Because you created the ratio. Now, you increase this to 3:1. Can you shut background and somebody microphone open?
It's Clint. We're trying to mute. Clint, could you mute your microphone, please? I think it's okay there now, Mr. Keshe.
Okay, so now you go 3:1. 8, 6.9. Sorry, 6.5. Now you change to 14 times. Sorry. Now you put 14 times more in this one than you put in this one. Now your alkalineness, your acidity changes to 2 to 14. You increase the ratio of loading to a further, let's say, 24. You can't see the yellow. There's a problem with the yellow. Let's choose a blue. You increase to 24 to 1. Now you go near 0 acidity. Order of magnitude dictates the acidity or alkalineness. Because you redefine it, that becomes gravity. And this becomes magnetical. The more you give faster, the less it has to give because it doesn't have the time to process. So it moves towards more alkalineness. This moves because it takes more and more from you, it moves more to gravitational or alkalineness, this way to acidity. Now you understand how you ratio load your reactors. And then by change of the field strength, you can descend or ascend. The same mass, you don't need to change fuel. And then at that point of change from acid to alkalineness, you get a friction between the two field strengths, which is like a light, you know, when the sun rays hits the earth, you get that condition. This is why when you see spaceships that they video and you just get a flash of light, those are real because it's there. It's a millisecond and it moves. Because they change one reactor from alkalineness to acidity, giving and taking, and it changes the direction of flow and the speed of the flow. And then by the ratio, you change the mass of helium, or sorry, hydrogen or tritium, you create lift or descent and the strength. You go beyond the speed of light by thousands of times. Very simple. The interaction creates a flow and condition the same. The rotation of the light, you will see this. I've asked our team to demonstrate this. Then it's for you to evaluate. You got to remember, from Thursday, next Saturday, Sunday teaching, we are not showing you a flight system. We are showing you system that you can make to fly. The whole purpose is as many as you do. We are not creating carbon cat. You can come and copy carbon. We are teaching you to start doing what we did with you with the Maghreb system, what we did with the health system. You went to the sea and you took the water from the oceans and the seas to make the gans to help your wife with the cancer of the lung or whatever. And the other one went and took the water from the river and made to change the diabetic. You understand? We are the guides, we are the teachers. It's for you to do. We show you everything for you to develop complete. Don't expect next week to come in and see a flying system. I show you the uranium weight reduction which leads to the flight.